See our next third question. What did Manja's children ask her to do? Manja's children asked her to tell them stories. See again. What did Manja's children ask her to do? Manja's children asked her to tell them stories. Say once again. What did Manja's children ask her to do? Manja's children asked her to tell them stories. Next fourth question. In Heart's second question, Manja worked hard to bring stories to all of us. How would you describe Manja? Use suitable adjectives. So the answer, Manja was a determined woman. After she decided that she would go out to search for stories, she did not stop once in her search. She was also a brave woman because she set off all alone and went deep into the ocean on the turtle's back. Finally, she accomplished all that she was looking for. What is that? Accomplished. Accomplished. Once again, accomplished. Accomplished. All that she was looking for. Okay, see again say once. Manja worked hard to bring stories to all of us. How would you describe Manja? Use suitable adjectives. Manja was a determined woman. After she decided that she would go out to search for stories, she did not stop once in her search. She was also a brave woman because she set off all alone and went deep into the ocean on the turtle's back. Finally, she accomplished all that she was looking for. Okay, note this question. In Heart's second question, note that one. With neat handwriting, note this question. See our next one. Open your page number 15 in your textbook, page number 15, subject English. Okay, some of the pictures are there. Write their names. First one, Cinderella. Next one, Mowgli. Third one, Snow White. Next, Aladdin. Next, Pinocchio. Next, Rapunzel. Okay, now 6 names. We'll write that 6 blanks. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay? Write that names. Next, page number 19. This one completed after open. Page number 19. Okay? In page number 19, A Roman is there, see once. First one A here already given that. So next Next Roman, B Roman. Okay. See here, B Roman. Some of the question is there. Okay. First, this question. Note in your notebooks. See on the textbook and write in your textbook. Okay. B answer is there. See on the board. B answer. Okay. See on the textbook. Write that question in your notebooks. Okay. Completed this one after you write the answer. See here. The king and the queen of the spirit people asked Manja for a picture of her home and people because they lived underwater and they could not visit the land. Manja came from and meet Next third one. Finning. The baboon was dashed with her babies when Manja met her. Playing. What is that? Playing. B option, playing. Write that spelling also, playing. Fourth one. The owl was dashed that her sleep was disturbed. Upset. What is that? Upset. C option, upset. Write that spelling in fourth. In the blank also. Next fifth one. The elephant told Manja to meet the eagle. To meet the eagle. B option. Next sixth one. The eagle brought his friend the turtle. In the blank turtle. B option. Okay. Seventh one. Manja went to the land of the spirit people. C option, spirit people. Next eighth one. The king and queen were very happy with the picture. Option A. Okay. And that spellings write on the blanks also. Okay. Without mistakes, write the spellings. Okay, see our next one. Page number 21. Worksheet is there. Okay, in green color words, worksheet. Okay, first one, see. Someone who studies history is. Option C, a historian. Okay, next. Someone who makes cloth on a loom is called a weaver. Option B. Next, third one. Someone who writes for a newspaper. A journalist. Third one, B option, a journalist. Fourth one, someone who studies animal behavior is. Fourth one, a producer. Someone who studies animal behavior is a zoologist. A zoologist. A option. Fifth one, someone who buys and sells goods for other is a broker. Option A, broker. Sixth one, someone who designs building is an architect. First one C, second one B, third one B, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one also A option. Okay. Next, see here. H Roman. Add hood, nest are dumb. To the words given below, write the new words. Some of the given words are there, 10 words. So write the 10 words. New words. Okay. Sadness, freedom, childhood, boredom, laziness, neighborhood, brotherhood, dryness, kingdom and kidness. Write the 10 words on the blanks. First one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. Some of the blanks, first to 10th. Okay. Next. See Iroman. Tick the correctly spelled. Okay. Tick the correctly spelled on that sentence is suitable. In the first one, the great fish eagle knew who could help Manja. Given that K-N-E-W. First you click that K-N-E-W. Okay. In second one, T-H-E-I-R. The children are visiting their grandparents this Saturday. T-H-E-I-R. Tick that there. Third one, the whole village celebrated the birth of baby. Birth. B-I-R-T-H. Birth. Tick that there. The principal called all teachers for a meeting. Principal. So P-A-L. P-R-I-N-C-A. P-A-L. Principal. Take that principal spelling. Farah bought a piece of colorful cloth in the market. Piece. P-I-E-C-E. Piece. Okay. Next, the bus. The bus fare for traveling to the fair was 10 rupees. First fare and fare, second fare and fare. Two are there. First fare is F-A-R-E, tick that, and second one is F-A-I-R, tick that. Okay. Next, third one. I had an apple pie for dessert. D-E-S-S-E